What's up, guys? Welcome to Editors United, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the closed caption and open captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super simple. So as you can see right now, I'm currently using the open captions, so the captions will always be displayed. However, on this I'm going to tell you guys how to do both, how to do the open and close. Alright, so firstly, there's two ways. Well, there's probably several different ways, but the two main ways to create a caption first is to either go up here to File, then you will go down to New, and you will go down to Captions. Alright, the other way, the simple way I use is just go down here and click on your new item. Alright, and then from there you can click on Captions. Alright, now you get the caption menu. From there, you have the 608, the 708, and the open captions. So those are the three main ones. The 608 is mainly for like analog television. The 708 is mainly for digital, and open caption keeps the captions on. So firstly, we'll be looking at the closed captions. So since this will be digital, we'll be using the 708 for this. All right. So go ahead and click that. You can go ahead and click the stream, the same, the time base. It should follow your sequence. Mine is 30 frames per second, so that's perfect. And also, it'll pretty much match whatever you currently have in the sequence, so you don't have to worry about just guessing on that. All right, so you go ahead and click OK, and then you'll get your little caption box here. So let me go ahead and name this Closed Captions Test. All right. Now next, let's go ahead and go to the first let's go ahead and put this on the actual sequence. Let's go ahead and put that there, and we'll stretch it out a bit to fill out the whole video. And you probably noticed that my I have everything kind of blocked out right now. And the reason I do that, usually for my captions, I usually lock everything down just so it's easier for me to not mess up anything by accident when I'm doing my captions. All right. So before we do the closed captions, be sure to go to your little settings menu here on your program monitor and scroll down the closed captions display and make sure it's enabled. If it isn't enabled, you won't see anything. And let me go ahead and close this other captions I have here so you can see. So as you can see, there's nothing right there, but if you go to closed captions and enable it, you can actually see the captions. So be sure to do that beforehand, because you may not actually see your captions, your closed captions, that is. All right, so now you pretty much from here you can just use your script to add in the text for whatever your person is speaking about. So let's go ahead and click twice on our new caption, the closed caption test, and it should bring up your captions menu here. If you didn't double click it, you can just scroll over on your little monitor here to captions, or you can just scroll down to captions there. All right, so now we have that. So let's go ahead and see what I stated at the beginning. I'll go ahead and turn that on so you guys can hear this. So yeah, with the craze of battle royale modes. All right, so we got the first part. So now let's go ahead and go to our script, which I already have here. And yeah, so yeah, with the craze of battle royale modes. So let's go ahead and copy that, and let's go ahead and paste that here. And bam. Now as you can see, all of the actual words aren't on there. So from there, you would just play around. So with okay, I would just keep them like that, for example. And then I would then place the plus to go ahead and add another caption, but we'll time it with what I'm actually saying. So yeah, with the craze of battle. All right, so with the craze of battle, and then from there you go back to your script, and we'll put battle royale mode seeming to. Copy that, put that there, and let's see if that kind of matches with that. Craze of battle royale mode seeming to still be. All right, perfect. And then from there, I would just move that and make another plus and add in whatever else I'm saying. And you pretty much just continue this until you're done talking, pretty much. It's super simple, super easy to use. As you can see down here, you can also make the let me go ahead and move that around. You can also shrink this down. You can watch out for moving the whole thing by accident. You can also make it longer as well to fit how long he's talking for that. Also too, down here you can change the types. Pop on, you can have a roll up, 2 lines, roll up, 3 lines. You can center the different text. You can also italicize text, as you can see here. Now it's italicized. You can also underline, as you can see, got it italicized and underline right there. Let's go ahead and take that off. You can also add in a music note so that the people who aren't able to hear, they can actually see that there's music playing at a certain point. And as you can see, I can put that there. And then from there, I can actually, add in some other text to that, like playing music theme. And then we can save that, so people who aren't able to hear that, they can at least see that I'm actually playing a song right there, which is pretty cool. And lastly, let me go ahead and show you guys these 2 things. You can change the background color for this. You just go ahead and click on the background color. This should be the little square, and then you can then change the color using the other square. So I can have it green, like a dark green. You can have it like a yellow. You can also have it like red, white. There's so many different colors you can use. And so let me go ahead and change that back to black. You can also change the text as well. You just go ahead and click on the text color, and then you go ahead and go back to the box. Right now it's on white, but I can have it like blue. And as you can see, it's very hard to see that blue on that black. You can also have like yellow and red, etc, etc. So let's go ahead and change that back to white. And you can also change the position on this little grid here. I have it right now on the caption block position right there on the side. You can also have it centered. You can have it at the top. Over here on the little right side. Yeah, they pretty much give you a lot of options on actually how you want your text to actually appear. I mean, your captions to actually appear, which is pretty cool. Alright, so yeah guys, that's how you pretty much use the closed captions. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the open captions. Alright, so let's go ahead and delete this. The open caption is probably easier than this, but it's same format. So let's go ahead and go to create new item, and then we'll scroll down to captions. And instead of using the 708 for the digital, we're gonna go ahead and use the open captions. All right. And with open captions, the text will always be on screen. I like using this because even if you can hear, it's always good to be able to read it too sometimes, especially if you can't understand the person or understand some words sometime. And we're gonna go ahead and keep everything the same, since this will fit in with the sequence, which I have at 1280 by 720. So we're gonna go ahead and press OK. Alright, so now we have our open caption. So we're gonna name this open cap test. Alright. Now, as you heard earlier, we're gonna go ahead and put this on the actual sequence or timeline. And we're gonna go ahead and make that bigger, make it go all the way to fit our other captions. Alright, and same things apply. As you can see, type caption text here. So we're gonna go ahead and double click on the on the caption that we're going to be using on this one, and let's go ahead and play the beginning part.
Yeah, with the craze of Battle Royale mode seeming to still be going strong in 2018.
Alright, so with the open captions, you can actually add in a lot more text. So let's go ahead and open that up. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put seeming to. Go ahead and put this whole almost have the first sentence in there. So we can copy that, delete that, and paste that there. And as you can see, it's on the open caption. And I can still add in quite a few more words before this whole little bottom part is filled up. And then for the next part, seeming to. And then let's go ahead and go to the next part, seeming to still be going strong in 2018. And we're going to go ahead and copy that. So let's go back and let's listen again.
So yeah, with the craze of Battle Royale mode seeming to...
Alright, so seeming to. So it stops right about there. So we're going to stop that there. We're going to go ahead and add in another caption. So you go ahead and put plus. And then you should just paste your new dialogue there. And let's hear that again.
So yeah, with the craze of Battle Royale mode seeming to still be going strong in 2018.
Alright, let's go ahead and stretch that out.
In 2018.
Alright, perfect. And then from there, we can go ahead and just keep on adding more and more captions until this whole thing is filled up. And if I wanted to delete something, I can just click on that and click the delete button. And as you can see, it's deleted. Or you can just click it here, click it on the menu. You can right click, delete. You can right click and ripple delete. You can right click on the captions and add captions as well. You can also go in there and you can actually click the delete or backspace button and it'll delete it. And yeah, it's pretty simple there. And lastly too, let me go ahead and show you guys one more thing about the open captions that you don't actually have in the regular closed captions. And see, as you can see here, you can actually change the font. So I can pick any font I want for my text. So let's go ahead and go back to Still Strong, and I can have that as Leo. I can change that to this one. I can change it to that. You can actually pick what you want to actually show. With the closed captions actually follow whatever, I guess, program or web browser, whatever system that you're on. But on this one, since the text is always showing, you can pretty much pick any type of text and any style and pretty much any way that you would like it to look like. And as you can see, I can also change the bold. I can have an italic. I can have a bold, italic, regular. You can change that. You can also change the actual size, so I can make the text bigger if I wanted to. Go ahead and change that back to 25. I can also add edges. And let me go ahead and make that bigger so you can see the edges better. As you can see, you wouldn't have yours looking like this, but yeah, you can just play around with the different edges or whatnot if you wanted to. And also too, just like the closed captions, you can change the position. So I can have it right there on the grid, up there at the top, over here on the right side. You can pick. And as you can see here, everything else is pretty much the same except the eyedropper. Again, with that, you can pretty much just pick out any other color. I'm not sure if the other closed captions have that or not. If it did, it would be the exact same. You can just pick what type of color you would like, either your text, your edge color, or your background color to look like. And yeah, guys, that's a quick crash course on how to use the open and closed captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And also too, if you have any other questions on other cool tutorials or how-tos on Adobe Premiere Pro or other software, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, hope you like the quick tutorial, and yeah, hopefully you guys can start adding your own captions to your videos.